In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Calendar to Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have your calendar events neatly organized in a spreadsheet. So you can sort, filter, and analyze them however you like. Start on a computer and open Google Calendar in your web browser. Make sure you are signed in to the account that holds the calendar you want to export. Using a desktop browser is important here, because the export option isn't available in the same way on mobile. In the top right, click the gear icon to open settings from the menu. Choose Import and Export. This takes you to a page with tools for moving calendar data in and out. Look for the Export section, click Export, and your browser will download a zip file. Inside that zip are one or more CS files. These are standard calendar files that store your events. Locate the downloaded zip in your usual downloads folder. Then open or unzip it to reveal the ICS file you want to convert. Next, you'll convert the ICS file to CSV, which is a format Google Sheets can read easily. Use a trusted free online ICS to CSV converter. Upload your ICS file and follow the on-screen prompts to generate a CSV. If the converter offers options, choose to include common fields like event title, start and end times, description, location, and attendees. Also confirm the date format and time zone so they match how you want them to appear in your spreadsheet. When the conversion finishes, download the CSV file to your computer. If your calendar contains sensitive information, consider using a reputable tool and deleting any uploaded files after the conversion. Now open Google Sheets. Create a new blank spreadsheet or open an existing one where you want the data to go. In the top menu, click File. Then Import. Choose the Upload tab and select your converted CSV file. When prompted, pick how you want to bring the data in. Importing to a new sheet is usually the cleanest option so your data lands on its own tab. Confirm the settings and complete the import. Your events should appear in rows, with headers like summary, start date, end date, and so on. If dates or times don't look right, select the relevant columns and adjust the formatting under Format. Then number and pick date or date time. You can also widen columns, wrap text, or add filters to make the data easier to read. From here, you can sort by date, filter by keywords, or build charts and pivot tables to analyze your schedule. And that's it. You've exported Google Calendar to Google Sheets using an ICS to CSV conversion. Thanks for watching.